At the heart of our machine is its frame, the backbone that endures and channels the stresses of plate rolling. Our MCB plate rolls boast the most compact and closed frame in the industry. This feature helps both durability and precision. The frame's design enhances rigidity and stability that are crucial for 1. Ensuring tight connections to the ground. 2. Minimizing deflections and displacement, thus optimizing roll positioning accuracy. 3. Allowing for a shallower and more cost-effective pit construction due to innovative intra-frame design with reinforcement beams, as opposed to a traditional base platform. Supported by extensive FEM analysis, our technical team has confirmed that our frames are especially robust under the stress of pre-bending. Davi's exclusive design features significantly increase the rigidity of the overall structure, providing maximum accuracy even during the most challenging pre-bending and re-rolling operations. With MCB, you can experience the shortest flat ends achievable thanks to a machine designed to excel under pressure.